Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8th. My subject is English. Today's topic is demonstrative adjectives, one of the kinds of adjectives. So, dear students, let me repeat yesterday's topic. Have a Let me throw a little light over yesterday's topic. Dear students, yesterday we discussed about definite numeral adjectives. Definite numeral adjectives. And you might have remembered it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., right? But this is called cardinal. These are called cardinal. These are called cardinals. And next was that I discussed first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc., right? These are called ordinals. These are called ordinals. 1, 2, 3, 4 cardinals, cardinal adjectives rather. First, second, third, fourth, these are ordinals, right? So here we discussed yesterday indefinite numeral adjectives also. Indefinite numeral adjectives. It was any, many, many, no, all, several, certain, some, right? These are called indefinite numeral adjectives, right? And then we discussed distributive. It is third part. Distributive numeral adjectives. Each, either, neither, right? So every, etc. These are called distributive numeral adjectives. Distributive numeral adjectives. And today my topic is demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives. So dear students, have a keen look over today's topic. Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives. These refer or these point out which person. These point out which person or thing is meant. As. First, this is the definition. Demonstrative adjectives. Its definition is These point out. That means demonstrative adjectives point out which person or thing is meant. Which person or thing is meant, right? Now we will try to write a sentence and we will find out how we recognize demonstrative adjectives in a sentence. Demonstrative adjectives in a sentence. Let me write one sentence here. Dear students, have a keen look over. This boy is stronger. This boy is stronger than this boy is stronger than Harry. Let's write a name here. This boy is stronger than Harry. So here is a word this. It points out. It points out the person we are talking about, the boy we are talking about. This boy, yeh ladka. That means it points out the person. It points out the person. Which person? This boy. So this means here demonstrative adjectives. This demonstrative adjectives, right? This boy is stronger than Harry. This, it points out, it shows something here that we are talking about a particular boy. We're talking about a particular boy. This boy. So this word is here demonstrative adjective, right? And let me write a second one here. That boy is very efficient. That boy is very efficient. You see, second sentence you see, dear students, that boy is very efficient. We are talking about a particular boy. We are pointing out here towards a boy. We are pointing here that, or we are talking about a particular boy. That boy. Woh ladka. So that here is a word that points out this boy. He is very intelligent. The boy is very intelligent. But who? That boy. That. So that here is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. Let's underline it here. That boy. That means we are pointing out a particular boy. We are talking about a particular boy. So that here is demonstrative adjective. Have a third one here so that we may be able to understand it fully. These mangoes are ripe. These mangoes are ripe. These mangoes, we are talking about mangoes. But which mangoes? These mangoes. That means we are talking about these mangoes. about particular mangoes. We are pointing out towards mangoes. These mangoes, right? These mangoes are ripe. So the word these here, it is demonstrative adjective because mangoes are being pointed out by a word these. We're talking about the mangoes, but which mangoes? These mangoes. That means we're pointing to somewhere, right? So the word these, it is demonstrative adjective, right? They are students. So fourth one, I hate such nasty students. I hate such nasty students. I hate such. Such. Here is word such. It is pointing towards somewhere. But where? Nasty students. Nasty students. That means a group of students are in front of us or somewhere else, and I am hating such students. I'm hating, I do hate such students. That means I am pointing towards a group of students, such nasty students, such nasty students. So the word such, it points towards the nasty students. It points towards the nasty students. So the word such here is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. So dear students, I think you may uh, uh, have a little picked it up, and you will try your best and write few more sentences like this, that, those, such, right? So let me take leave of you. It was all about today, the topic demonstrative adjectives. So, dear students, I hope you will try your best. You will try to write some sentence at your own. Be happy. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe.